Hello from Western New York. And a couple of things you might notice is, well, I got some canes I need to cut out. The ones that are dead, they're dying, and let's face it, they're done producing berries for the year. So basically, I'm gonna see about pruning out these dead black raspberry canes, and I might work on a few of the others. And who knows, maybe might end up doing something with that, involving that. I've been doing a little bit of tossing out of some of the stuff anyways. And, well, I got a little fire going, to help me get rid of some of this stuff. So, basically, wish there was a way I could stand this thing flat. But, well, I don't exactly have good flat ground for that. I kind of wish I had a little tripod or something, but I don't think this camera has a tripod to go with it. Basically, what I'm going to do is see about pruning some black raspberries. You might hear some more sound in the background. The town is celebrating the fact that it's now 100+ years old. There is a little bit of green, and this is a black raspberry that I'm working on, so basically try to get as low as you can without cutting into the roots, I believe. I kind of have to be careful. Got some bumblebees buzzing around. Like I said, the black raspberries are all done for the year. They're dying, and all that sort of stuff. And since I got a fire going, might as well use it. And if you see any other, obviously, if you see dead plants, you just cut them out. Got some ivy in here. It's also raining. Well, I guess that's it for now. I got the blackberry canes cut. Black raspberries. I might cut some more later. Yeah, like I said, I might cut some more later. Because I do have another set of black raspberries that I know do need to get their old canes cut. And I'm fairly certain I got more in and among here. And I certainly know I got more alongside the barn that could use getting cut out. I'd end up having a thing involving that broken willow, but you know, like I said, it's starting to rain, and you probably don't see me getting wet. You know, I mean, that doesn't sound exciting. That being said, what I can tell you is you got some bumblebees flying around, locating flowers on my heritage and Polona, and whew, there's a lot of unripe berries on my Polona, and more than a few come along on the heritage. Although I am probably going to have to cut out some of the dead stuff. I got berries coming along on my fall golds. I'll have to check out a couple, as well as the blackberries I got. Now I hear that there is a fall bearing black raspberry, and I wouldn't mind having one of those. But for now, I'm content with what I have. If I notice them next year, I'll see about buying them and planting them. And it's always something I'm interested in. But for the most part, I think my impulse buying is done. Like I said, it's starting to rain a little bit heavier. I mean, I might make another film later today, showing off the fireworks. If I hear them over the thunder. Like I said, pruned the black raspberries, removed the old dead canes. You want to do that. You want to do that with all your raspberries, your blackberries, any fruit you're growing. In fact, if you see something that's dead, cut it out, burn it. It's not going to do you any good. This also goes for if it's diseased. Cut it out. Burn it. Now, I've noticed this in some of my plants. They do have some damages, probably from them rubbing up against one another. I might have to do a little bit of cutting on that to remove the stuff that's kind of damaged. Mainly because they're crossing and whatnot. But we'll see about that. Because as you can kind of tell, it's raining, and well, like I said, you don't want to see me out here in the rain getting all soaked. So basically, here's what I did. I took my pruners, cut these things as low as I could. I think I might have a couple of shoots popping off some of the old ones, which is why I kind of left them alone for the moment. Some, well, a couple anyways. I might end up thinning this out later, you know. But, and well, you can hear the music in the background, I hope. Don't know if you can hear it right there. But you might be able to hear it from here. Like I said, local town is having a celebration. It's 105 years old, I think, maybe a little older. And basically, it's a little town celebration. You know, it's not quite on the level of a fair. I mean, you got a couple of vendors, you know, selling goods, selling food. Maybe a small ride or two for the kids, a little bounce house, you know, that sort of thing. You know, just very cheap, just very basic local stuff, really. Although I will be honest, if I had money and a working bike or something, I'd probably be down there and maybe buying some stuff, you know, having some fun. But on the other hand, I'll still get a good show later on, because I think at about 10 o'clock they'll be shooting off their fireworks, and hopefully we'll be recording at least some of that. You know, not up close, you know, I mean, but from the back of my porch, we'll get that fireworks display you didn't get on the 4th of July. Well, this is Western New York. Subscribe if you like this, post comments, click the like button, all that sort of stuff. Okay, goodbye.